Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to look at some cool objects under the microscope. First, let's take a look at blood at 1,000 times magnification. This next clip comes from All Things Magnified. Go check out their channel on YouTube. It is of ingrown hair at magnification. Can you guess what the third item is? We'll put the answer at the end of the video. Wow. Now we have some cool plucking of hair at about 100 times magnification. Adam recorded this. Neat. And the fifth item is the human iris at varying levels of magnification. How cool is the human eye up close? Wow. And now, the trivia answer. Did you guess right? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more interesting medical content every single week, sometimes more frequently, and we'll see you next time. Adios.
I want to thank Team Restmore for changing my life. Before Restmore, I felt like I could not go to sleep on time. I would get tired in the afternoons and I just was not able to function without a midday nap. Now I take Restmore before bed. It gives my brain the essential minerals it needs for that deep sleep, and I no longer need that midday nap, and I'm bright and alert. It has changed my life for the better. I highly recommend it, so definitely give it a try.
Restmore is an essential addition to your medicine cabinet for those times you need to fall asleep but can't. Remember, when you just need more rest, get Restmore. Now available on Amazon. Good night.